In the middle of this summer, my friend bought some plums and placed them in a white basket. I took a few photos to practice color variations, completely forgot about them and just rediscovered them a couple of days ago. I am running Rebelle 8 Pro on my M3 Ultra and XP pen display, exploring the massive possibilities this engine offers. I decided to start with a simple watercolor underpainting, dropping the water slider down to around 50%. I wanted to keep the original sketch lines completely intact, so I duplicate this sketch and paint it on the layer directly below it. The real magic of this software is the freedom to work wet in bed. I observed the reference photo by eye and began laying down light blues, dark teals, violets and bright yellows. My goal was to indicate shadows and forms purely through shifting colors rather than traditional dark to light values. I let the digital physics engine generate unexpected combinations, allowing the drips and bleeds to set naturally while just adding a quick stroke of dark teal to suggest the basket's construction. While the digital canvas was still wet, I switched to the express oil brushes and picked up the Knife Grainy brush for the very first time. Because every single plum reflects its own distinct hue, I constantly shift my colors, refusing to sample directly from the photo. I quickly realized that the chaotic watercolor was already done the massive weightlifting for the entire painting. The rest was simply observing each plum's form, light and color bounces, playing with the temperature rather than strict values. I intentionally avoided painting the basket or textile with tight details, providing just enough to indicate they are there. I only care about the atmosphere. Asking myself if it felt consistent and questioning if I should go for more detail or let it breathe. I place a sharp highlight at the bottom left corner to catch the viewer's eye and guide them naturally into the composition. Looking at the finished piece, I immediately thought of Paul Cézanne. Somehow, my brain subconsciously pulled a solution from art history, using colors and brush strokes in a way that echoes his work. What thrills me the most is having no idea what I am doing while in the flow, only to find the answer waiting for me at the end. I hope you enjoyed this process as much as I did.